Yo, hello. Today we are going to explain to solve a limit using rationalization. This presentation was made by Tomás Aldaña and David Gutierrez. And let's begin with the exercise.
The exercise is the limit and x approach 2 of the square root of x plus 2 minus 2 divided by the square root of x minus 1 minus 1. The first step is to replace x y with 2 and see what happens.
In the numerator, we replace x with 2. The square root of 2 plus 2 becomes the square root of 4, which equals 2. Then we subtract 2, that result is 0. Now in the denominator, the square root of 2 minus 2 become the square root of 1, which equal 1. Then subtract 1 and again the result is 0. So we get 0 over 0. This called an indefinite from, and will this happens, we can use rationalization.
Now we find the conjugates. The conjugates of the square root of x plus 2 minus 2 is the square root of x plus 2 plus 2. The conjugation of the square root of x minus 1 is the square root of x minus 1 plus 1. We use conjugates because they help elimination the square roots after multiplication.
Next, we multiply the entire fraction by the conjugates over themselves. We got this because multiply by the same expression on the top and bottom is equal to multiply by 1, so the value of the limit does not change. This process will allow us to simplify the radicals.
Now we apply the difference of sprites combination in the enumeration. The sprite the sprite we get x plus 2 minus 4, which simplifies to x minus 2. In the denomination, we get x minus 1 and minus 1, which also simplifies to x minus 2. At this point, both the numeration and denomination consign the factor x equals 2.
Since x minus 2 appears on both the top and bottom, we can simplify the expression by cancelling those factors. After sampling, the limit becomes the square root of x minus 1 plus 1 divided by the square root of x plus 2 plus 2.
Now we substitute x equals 2 again. In the numeration, the square root of 2 minus 1 equals 1 and 1 plus 1 equals 2. In the denomination, the square root of 2 plus 2 equals 2 and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Finally, 2 divided by 4 equals 1 half. So the final answer to the limit is 1/4.
Thanks you for watching our presentation. Bye.